Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about top 3 blogs or websites that every tech enthusiast, every AI person should know about. If you're someone who are interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the upcoming technologies out there, these 3 websites you must visit them every single day and you must know about the research going on there and stuff like that. So I'll be talking about top 3 websites for you guys to visit every single day and know about their stuff. So without making any further delay, let's get into this video to talk about this top 3 website. But before that, if you are new to this channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon for more such interesting content coming in the future. So the first website that I want to talk about is none other than OpenAI. Now the founder of this website is everybody is well aware about that, and he is Elon Musk with some other bunch of guys, and those are the founders, and they basically started OpenAI. And after that, today why you should visit the website is on that website you're going to get the blog page, research page, their API, as well as their about section. So these are the main 4 sections on their website, but the most important of them is the research as well as the like a blog page. So on these pages basically you can get lots and lots of knowledge about the research going on there in their OpenAI as well as on other part of the world as well. So you can get lots of knowledge from research page. I visit it frequently to like know much more about the research going on in the OpenAI, as well as the different tools introduced by OpenAI like DALL-E 2 as well as Codex. For those who don't know, DALL-E 2 is a tool created by OpenAI's AI software, and using that they basically what they do, they can just convert, that tool can convert any saying or anything. If we type anything in the tool, it can basically convert that into a live image. It can convert into graphic design or 3D design or oil painting and many more things like that. So your imagination can be converted into an image using just that tool. And the other tool is the Codex, and in the Codex, natural language in which we talk now, that can be converted into code, and that can be run forward for using the creating stuff. So these are the basic tools created by OpenAI. First is DALL-E 2 and second is Codex. So these are interesting tools. You can have a great look at after watching their website. So go and and basically the links of all the websites are linked in description. You can directly click and head over to the websites and learn the stuff over there. So the second website about which I want to talk the most is the Google AI. Now as OpenAI, there are also pages like research, blog, and about section, and their API tools and many more things like that. But the most important thing in this website of Google AI is its education sector or its education page. Now on that page, if you are someone who want to learn about AI and machine learning more and more, again and again, different stuff from beginning to advanced, also you can learn different concepts of AI in the page. And basically if you are someone who are interested about who are curious about knowing interesting things in machine learning, not the old stuff or the basic fundamental stuff, but the interesting courses or interesting things going on in AI, you must visit to the education page of the Google AI. And after that you can get to learn much more things in that page. And also OpenAI, there is also research page, there is also a blog page. You can get to know much more about what is going on in Google AI, what those guys are doing, and also their job listings and many more things in that page. So yeah, you can head over to these pages and take a look at that. But the most important thing in this Google AI is its education page. I like that most of that is very interesting courses out there, and very interesting fundamental courses are going on in the education sector. As well as the page over there, you can also learn about what are the data sets which are created into the Google AI, as well as you can learn and you see about which are the tools created by OpenAI softwares out there in their website. You can learn about TensorFlow, you can learn about many more things, ML kit, there is also the fairness indicator, there is TensorFlow JS, there is Collaboratory, and different data sets available out there to you guys to just explore out stuff there. So go visit the website as soon as possible. So So the third website which is very interesting to talk about is the Science Daily. Now basically guys, this website is not made specifically for machine learning on AI, but everything. There are almost, this website is basically founded in 1995, and from that they have got too many of the branches out there, and basically now in this moment they have more than 500 individual topics on which they post daily content and daily blogs, daily research papers, and many more things in detail. And that is insane if you think about posting every day about 500 individual topics which come under 12 categories, and in that there is artificial intelligence and machine learning also, and there are also many more topics that you can have a look at. That if you belong to certain different sector also, you can have a look at this website Science Daily. That is very interesting. I like visit daily to the website to know much more about different sectors out there of the world going on, and this is really a great website to have a look. Not just about AIML, but also about learning about many more things, like if you are a lawyer, if you are if you are engineer, if you are a doctor, and many more things. If you like learn, if you want to learn about anything in detail, recently what the research is going in that field, you can have a look at Science Daily website. Link is in description. And those were the three basic websites which I like. I love these websites most because I am into the AI field, and I'm just curious about machine learning and AI stuff going on there, research papers and many more things. So I visit this website a lot frequently, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So if you are someone who are interested in that stuff, go visit this website. Link is in description. And that was it about today's video. If you learned something valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about these top 3 websites. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.